Hello friend, my name is Sunil Kumar and today I will discuss with you about faith. This faith word is very prominent actually. This faith is like a oxygen. Without oxygen nobody can live. Within few seconds one can die without oxygen. Similarly, this faith is like a oxygen. This faith is required at every walk of our life actually. If we observe our life from morning to night, when we wake up and when we go to bed, there is a faith is required. Without faith we cannot put single step outside our home. Take the example, when we go to school, go to office, or for any kind of work is there, we take bus, auto, bicycle, whatever. So we have some kind of faith. Okay, whatever whoever driver is there in their bus, he might be okay, he might be expert in driving the bus, he might have proper license, he might have checked all the accessories in their bus, so his bus might be okay. So we have some kind of faith. There are accident is going on, means every day, means in whether it is a train, bus or plane, there are accidents are going on. Still we have some kind of faith, because human being, we are meant to keep that faith at every moment. Without faith we cannot sustain actually. If you don't have faith, then you are dead actually. Without faith we cannot live. Means lots of work is there for everyone. Means we go to doctor, engineer, lawyer, so we have on them, if not 100%, 20%, 30%, okay, whatever this doctor is telling, he might be right. Whatever he is telling, he's not lying. Okay, whatever this engineer is telling, that is okay. Whatever this lawyer is telling, that is okay. We have some sort of faith. If we don't have faith, then we cannot survive actually. Similarly, when God or scripture comes into the picture, then we say, no, actually I don't have faith in scripture, I don't have faith in God actually. This is the modern trend is going on actually. People think not having faith in God, not having faith in scripture is it's so how modern we are actually. But actually it is not so. This is not fair. This faith ingredient is meant for us only. People keep in their home dog. Why? Because dog is faithful. Why people cannot have why people can't keep tiger or lion? Some countries are there, they are keeping, but they don't have that much faith on that tiger or lion, because they anytime they can attack. But in the case of dog, it is not so actually. Dog is faithful. That's why people keep dog at their home. So when we are expecting faith from an animal, so why we are telling lie, we don't believe in faith, we don't have faith in anyone. Actually there is a need of faith. Without faith nothing, we cannot sustain. So now when this scripture and God, this comes into the picture, then we say we don't have faith. There are lots of babas, lots of fakir, they are fake actually. So actually this is the material word. This is the problem. Means if suppose 100 people are there, among 100 people 80% people are fake actually. But that is our duty to find out the right one, genuine one, and then try to learn the scripture, try to know about the God actually. That is our responsibility. When suppose we are going to take admission in any engineering college or any medical college, so before taking admission in engineering college or doctor college, we first check whether this college is affiliated from AICTC or any UGC or any government organization. If it is not connected, then university is fake. Then we don't take admission in that college, that university. Then why when this matter, this subject comes into the picture, this God and scripture, we don't inquire and we don't ask anything. We just blindly follow anyone whatever they are telling. We just follow their whatever instruction they are giving blindly. That is not good actually, no? So one should not follow the blindly. One should inquire, like we inquire in small things. We inquire everything. Suppose I am right now, I am in Delhi. I want to visit Agra. So just Agra is not very far from Delhi. So just from Delhi to Agra, we plan before 1 week. We plan each and everything. Okay, these things I will, this accessories I will keep with myself. Okay, we will stay over there in that hotel, in that lodge, just for 2 to 3 days visit. So why, when this important topics comes in our life, scripture, and to know who we are, to know about God, then why we don't take seriously that much? That is our fault actually. That is not fair actually. We should not do like this. And faith is required actually. Right now COVID-19 is going on. This corona virus, we have no one have seen this coronavirus. Still they are fearful, and they have faith on Indian government or any foreign agency, organization, or any foreign body. Okay, whatever they are telling, there might be some kind of virus, COVID-19. Nobody has seen that image. Means nobody is going to ask, okay, first show me image of in microscope. Show me the in microscope image of coronavirus. Then I will believe there is some virus is there. No, nobody is coming forward to ask. Okay, we just listen through news, through newspaper, through YouTube, through any government officer. We just believe. Why? Because we have some kind of faith on them. Okay, these people are representing the Indian government, India. So whatever they are telling true. Similarly, when this faith comes on God, scripture, then we forget everything. Okay, no, we don't have faith. I don't have faith. These all are mythology. These scriptures are mythology. I don't believe in God. I don't believe in scripture. This is not fair actually. So this much I just want to tell you. We need to understand anything. We need to keep some sort of faith in the beginning. Even when in our childhood, when we would solve the problem of mathematics, first what was the first sentence? Let x equal to this, or assume x value is this, and at the end of that question we proved what is the value of x. So I'm just giving example. So if we want to understand and if we want to know about God, about scripture, so in the beginning we need to have a little faith. Then only we can release and we can understand properly about God and scripture. Thank you very much.